4.5 foot double full field cultivator. I'm here in Rochelle, Illinois. We traded it in from a guy a little to the west of us, 20 miles. This does have a 5-bar spike harrow, Remlinger drag, and a rear hitch, kind of a fancy hitch with 2 sets of hydraulics and a electric plug for probably a double, some sort of a harrow or a rolling basket or something. The overall look of this is nice. I think that's well, 13 years old, paint's great. I assume this guy's kept it in the shed. Shanks are tight. Shovels all need replacing, but they are dock-ons. I didn't find any welds around the areas on the folding, which is kind of a notorious area for some guys. I like it. A little bit of good packaging of the hoses there. And here's the paint. That's good and shiny right there. It does have the walking tandems and the pivoting front stabilizer wheels. Again, welds are, I didn't see any on the frame or on the hitch, or excuse me, on the lifting part of the machine. I did see one small repair here on there on the frame for the drag. No big deal, but the tires are in good shape. We'll get a picture of the unit number, and that's our unit. So appreciate you watching the video.